Archie. 2023 is almost end. In this year, there's two really exciting science news. First will be the AI. I remember when the ChatGPT just published, I almost see the Terminator and the Skynet in front of my eyes. You know, the Terminator, I will be back. And the second will be the room temperature superconductor. Let me explain to you what the superconductor is. It's all begin one simple curious. We all know when the temperature dropping down, the size of material will getting smaller and smaller. But have you ever think how small and how low? To answer this question, scientists become to tracing the lowest temperature in the universe. They call absolute zero. And they assume when the material get this temperature, everything will start moving, like atom and electron. But when they do the experiment, they get a totally opposite answer. They find out some material, when they get near the absolute zero temperature, the electron will through the material with zero resistance. I mean zero, not 0.0001, it's zero. They call it superconductor. But what does that mean? Means when we use this material to transport electricity from the power station to your house, we only need a hair size of wire and zero loss, zero cooling problem. Means your computer, your cell phone will be no longer overheat. Means the nuclear fusion power station can be achieved. The quantum computer can be achieved. Means I spent 4 years in the university studying electricity engineering is useless. So why superconductor still not a compilation? Because over 100 years, we still not understand the principle of superconductor. We don't know how it works, it's just work. We only get some few incomplete theory. We only got some incomplete theory, and the superconductor only work in specific situation, like very low temperature or extremely high pressure. To create those situations will need more energy than superconductor can save. Until a few months ago, a Korean team published their paper. They claim they made a compound named LK99. It's a regular pressure, room temperature superconductor. All of a sudden, make a splash in the world. Everyone is asking, which stock we should buy? Don't ask me, I have no idea. And they also published the way to make this compound. And it's really easy to make it. Over one night, all the labs in the world that have qualified equipment is trying to replicate this research. And the way to make it is really, really easy. Someone says it's like if you put potato, onion, chili in one pot, cook it for 3 days, then you get the cure of cancer. That's how crazy is it. But if it's true, it will be the most important discovery in this century. But 3 months passed. No one success to replicate the Korea team's result. I'm glad I did not put any money in the stock market. But LK99, but in the MIT supercomputer shows LK99 might be the superconductor in theory. But it is still the new way we understand the superconductor. And I think it's a new century of we research superconductor and open the human new technology. That's my speech today. I hope everyone learned new things. Thank you.